You know that panic when your app crashes right when you need it most? We've all been there. But what if you could catch performance issues before they turn into disasters? That's exactly why we built Blackfire. It's a continuous observability solution made for decoupled PHP and Python applications like yours. With Blackfire, you get actionable recommendations that help you boost your app speed right away. It shows you exactly where your app is slowing down. Less guessing. You are back in control. You can see it as your safety net. Automatic performance tests and checks that keep your app running smoothly, even during traffic spikes or unexpected events. Blackfire saves you time, helping you quickly spot and fix problems. That way, you spend less time troubleshooting and more time making your users happy. Big brands trust us. With Blackfire, Symphony.com cut their load times by 3, and Good Old Games handle 20 times more orders without breaking a sweat. What about you? What will you achieve with Blackfire? Don't let slowdowns and crashes drag your business down. Turn observability into your competitive edge. Get started with Blackfire today and make your apps reliable every single time.